Hey guys, welcome back to Business Unions. We learned that things can change suddenly from the epidemic if there's one lesson. You might be wondering, how can I make $700 fast? If you lose your primary source of income or have a lot of expenses to pay, keep an eye out. Number 1, Capital One Shopping. Gives you better product discounts, notifies you when the cost of things you've been considering or purchasing drops, and uses the best coupon code throughout the checkout process. The amazing thing about this free plugin is that it automatically notifies all of its users whenever one of its users discovers a better offer on a product. Test it for free to decide for yourself. Trim is another option, another money-saving tool. Trim may negotiate your phone, cable, internet, and medical expenses, as well as cancel old subscriptions and more. Additionally, Trim can bargain with your bank and credit card issuer to reduce your credit card interest rates, APRs, cancel interest fees, and obtain reimbursements for unauthorized bank expenditures. Number 2, Get Upside. Cashback apps let you directly access the online stores of your favorite brands without having to leave the house or shop, effectively saving you money. They do this by giving you small rewards for each purchase you make. Get Upside was established in 2016 and offers cashback to its user base by collaborating with petrol stations, dining establishments, supermarkets, and convenience stores. You only need to fill up as usual, scan the receipt for refund, and the app performs an excellent job of saving you money on petrol. Number 3, Swagbucks. During commercial breaks, the majority of us are on our phones, so why not use those minutes to earn additional cash with Swagbucks? With Swagbucks, you can make money by viewing videos, doing surveys, utilizing their browser extension, and even simply by signing up for $5. You can make about $5 by using the app for 15 to 30 minutes. Of all the survey apps available, Swagbucks is the easiest to recommend. It has a strong reputation for customer service and has been in business for 14 years, paying $405 million to its members. Number 4, FOAP. Do you possess a good eye for photography, as someone once said? To start making money off your excellent smartphone images, consider signing up with FOAP. You get paid, often $5 for your images, after uploading them to the app by large corporations like Bank of America or Getty Images. You'll generally do best with well-lit, artfully composed images, think stock shots or scenic locales. Joining FOAP missions when businesses call for a particular kind of image will allow you to earn even more money. FOAP missions pays between $100 and $700. Number 5, Shopkicks. To make trips to the store worthwhile when shopping starts to seem like a chore, download Shopkick. Scan barcodes, enter shops, and make purchases to get kicks. $1 is equal to 250 kicks, and the total rises quickly. You gain 50 to 100 kicks for simply entering a business. There are 250 to 700 kicks available for scanning receipts. As a result, you can make quick money to pay your coffee habit or to fill up your gas tank. Furthermore, you can exchange them for gift cards to places like Target, Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and Starbucks. Number 6, Ibotta. Ibotta gives traditional paper coupons a smarter makeover. You can earn cashback incentives with this app by purchasing both online and offline. If you're going to attempt one, this is the one to try because some users have made even $1,000 by using it. Direct deposit into your bank account occurs once you've earned at least $20 in cashback, which happens pretty quickly. More than 1,000 retailers are compatible, and there's no complicated point system. The monthly earnings for active Ibotta users can reach $100. In-store cashback is available in 3 different ways. Using the Ibotta app, you can link your retailer loyalty accounts, add offers, and submit your receipt after your shopping trip. You can also buy retailer gift cards. Number 7, Rakuten. When consumers make purchases for well-known merchants, eateries, and meal delivery services, Rakuten, formerly Ebates, offers up to 40% cashback as an incentive. Additionally, users can receive cashback on a variety of purchases, including gift cards and vacation. The process is simple. Making a purchase through the portal requires creating an account, selecting the store in the app you wish to visit, and then logging in. As long as the promotion is activated through the app first, you can also link a credit or debit card to your Rakuten account to receive cashback in store. Rakuten credits the money back to your account once it's verified the purchase with the merchant, which it claims can take a few hours to several days. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.